Hey guys, it's been a while since I or we with Michel didn't propose a video or content. A year ago, we released a video about a false invasion of UFO, and I start to have people telling me, Sam, you talk about it. Yeah. No, I'm not reading into the crystal balls. I'm nor a medium. It's just by logic. So, what is going on? If you didn't pay attention, the first stuff was those balloons from China. Well, it's annoying sometimes. I read through TikTok, Instagram, some comment of people. And I don't say that I'm right, but until now I was. People start to say, no, yeah, you have the pro-Chinese, the counter-Chinese, and people trying to be balanced and in the middle. And what people says oh, well, those Chinese, they forwarded the balloon to spy us. Do you really think that Mr. Chinese have a necessity to forward a balloon to observe America? If yes, I invite you to look the research of the level of intelligence, meaning spy, of China. If you are not educated on it, I invite you to read their report and make some research. You will quickly understand that they are not a dumbass, but China, joke apart, needs to be taken seriously. They are not a joke. The only real problem is that usually the US government, as other government, sometimes takes other country like below. So we really need to understand that taking what seems to be weakness from a country or a mistake is a weakness. This will be a great and a magnificent mistake that can cost a lot. And I explain why, for you to understand what happened with the UFO. China forwarding a balloon, whatever it is. Maybe they wanted to observe Alaska, maybe they wanted to observe the bear, maybe they wanted to observe differently, closely, US military. I don't think they know the balloon. They need a balloon for that, but we have what we call satellite right now. And any satellite is able to observe any country as they want. Whatever you will tell me, believe me, it is possible. Even though they can look through computer, through phone. So any, I will say, intelligence service can know anything they want on anyone if they want. The more you will comprehend that this balloon is a distraction. Because if China said, okay, give us back the stuff, we will tell you if it's ours, that's what exactly happened. But the America didn't say, they said, oh, we keep it. So a good part of this actual situation of balloon and spaceship is that they are creating a false invasion. This false invasion, not only a distraction, but also a capacity for those company, entity, personality, whatever you want to call that, to reunify people for having a better control. We call that mass control. So they will interact with our brain, the mind. They did it with the virus. No need to go back. They are actually released that on many information resources and medical resources, and I invite you to go read and look and try to make yourself more knowledgeable that those things that are happening now, they are saying that the best defense is our own body, on our immune system. But because they created fear, oh my God, a lot of death and stuff, people jump into the stuff as usually and did what they are saying. Nobody forced you to anything. No one is arrested because you don't want to vaccinate, because you don't want to do stuff. The only thing that you need to respect is life. Yours, first of all, and others. It is says in many books, especially if you are religious, that don't do to others what you don't want others do to you. That's the basic law of respect. Now, the invasion will happen, 2 months. I give 2 months before the things start to blow everywhere. Be conscious that what you see, it's only what they want you to see. There is why it is the great importance to connect with yourself, know yourself, and realize that opinion, perception, vision, gross sense are only the manipulation of your mind. What I see, what I perceive, it's only an adaptation of what I know or what I think I know, my education, my belief, and my capacity of sensitivity to my external world and my inner world. So nothing's real. Dude, the World Trade Center was real? Absolutely not. If you think so, I leave you in your ignorance. Make research, instruct yourself, read the report from the court, read the 9/11 disclosure, read the Project Blue Beam, which everyone start to say, no, it's the Project Blue Beam with this extraterrestrial invasion. Guys, look the book, read what is Project Blue Beam. It's absolutely not what people said on the social media. People used to repeat what they learn, what they hear, which give an opinion from others, from sources that most of the time are not a good foundation to have the good knowledge. The invasion will be created and already is created, and I said that a year ago, to control, collect any dissidence that the humanity start to show. We start to have an apocalypto time, which is revelation. What is the revelation? Your higher self start to reveal to you what you are and not who you are. No needs to be who, but the real needs to be what is an extreme importance. What I am. Do I am the source? I repeat, in religious ancient text, it is says that we are the essence. And this essence is nothing else than the expression divided through individuals of the divine, of the universe mind, universal mind. So once again, it is an extreme necessity to comprehend and digest this before the shit happen. 2023, you can see, maybe aware of the acceleration of planetary activities, human destruction, and like an agenda that is created and realized by some people. Those people named Illuminatis are an extreme dangerosity to comprehend what means being human. The Illuminatis use certain Freemason part. So people, as me, long time ago, were saying, no, it's the Freemason, they are dangerous. They are not dangerous. The objective of many Freemason is to discover the light within them. And then, by consequence, helping the humanity to find and support people to find their own essence. But the Illuminati changed this and infiltrated a lot of lodge and ancient school or secret society. I will make another video about secret society to express and explain the objective and why they call that, I will say, stupidly, secret society. Nothing is secret. If you want to search, you will find it. But the fact is, they are creating, those Illuminati, they are creating this invasion. I can hear some people saying, like I had a couple of months or weeks ago, saying, Sam, what are you saying? You are completely crazy. Maybe, probably. But 6-8 months ago, I make a video explaining what is going on and what will happen. Saying that we will see more and more activities in the sky, probably starting to have battle in the sky. It started, the F-16, that it wasn't even not a F-16, it was, I don't remember the name of the military jets that was destroying this balloon. And our good friend Gigi Biden explained that they needed to take down those things. Do you really believe that if it was an alien, they will be dumb as hell to show themselves to a primitive society? No. Observing us, yes. Interacting with some of us, maybe. Back on Illuminatis. Their objective is to create division. That's why you have the pyramids above the pyramid with the eye, not of Ra, for some that they are not well educated. It's the eye of Horus. You can retrieve this eye through Odin, right? The god of the Celtic, the Vikings, which I'm well placed for talking about. Anyway, we are not here for talking about Odin, but talking about the eye of Horus. The eye that sees everything. Now, we see everything in the sky because they want us to see it. Do you really believe if it was a true extraterrestrial activities, they will allow us to destroy them? No, absolutely not. Did sometimes they interact with the society to avoid some autodestruction? Maybe. I even don't believe it, because for the simple reason that the law of the universe that you can learn through ancient texts, they all said that no one, especially human, can interact with another life and obliging or interfering with the free will. If some assholes push the button for, the nuclear bomb, which was happening in our past time, then why did he don't deactivate the things? Well, because of the free will. So why they will do it now? No reason for it. If the humanity wants to destroy itself, it's our problem, not the problem of other dimensions. So some people will say, we have the Galactic Federation. Hey bro, we are not in Star Wars, okay? some pure bullshit. You have no galactic federation, and if a galactic federation exists, they are not here for telling us what to do, but for observing us and observing our development, which we are far to interact with peace or not. So what I mean is just pay attention about what is going on in the air, because it will accentuate, and try to take in consideration that those things that happen right now, it's only a distraction for you to not work on your own self. Breathe and take place and look the Hollywood new TV show called The Alien Invasion. Choose, guy.